Which of the following is identical to the closed list in graphic search? The answer is transportation table. Next question. According to the maximum search algorithm, which of the following values are independent? The answer is point levels x and y. Next question. How we can increase the effectiveness of the alpha beta pruning? The answer is depend on the nodes. Next question. To which of the following depth does the alpha beta pruning can be applied? The answer is 6 to 8. Next question. Which of the following function is used to find the feasibility of the complete game tree? The answer is evaluation function. Next question. Which of the following search is identical to minimax search? The answer is depth first search. Next question. Where do the values of alpha beta search can be modified? The answer is along the path of search.